Well, I definitely got a lot out of it, not only by doing something myself, but watching other people do, seeing the pitfalls that everybody has. I think is always a good thing to not only see it with yourself, but seeing it with someone else as well. Or this.
There you go. I'll do the scribbling and you guys can concentrate on doing what you're doing.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So that was definitely a plus point, and I think the one-on-one teaching definitely has a big benefit on getting some of the details right. I think the only thing is, as we said before, when you're performing it, then it's not always easy to listen to everybody at the same time and try to do it as you should.
Well, I'm still amazed from this platform and this experience, because it's incredible how we all can watch, ask and learn from, even without touching the scope. Sometimes from each cases, everybody can have something. And that's great. I liked how we used the deconstructed approach to lesions. So from the beginning to the assessment, then decision making for which technique is needed, then a problem during the, well, how to apply the theory in the practical, in the polyp. That's really amazing. And we've seen different examples of different polyps, different problems, and how to approach every single different problem and different level even of training of how to approach them differently, not just for the polyp, but also for the endoscopist side.
I would like to echo everything everybody else has said. I would like to acknowledge the progress of everybody here, including myself, over the last 2 or 3 years that I've been lucky enough to know. Well, much longer for Luca. I've been lucky enough to know Xander, Peter, Jan, Lynn, Maria, Eva. You've all really improved in your own different ways, and it's actually almost like a time capsule of stuff we're recording on GIEQs to show your improvements and where you've been. Because every technique I use to remove this polyp. So you don't need to, be a fan of one technique or the other. Use them all. And someone said creative. I like that. Be creative about how you apply those techniques. I really do think that is a nice way of describing it. Yeah, don't be creative outside of evidence, right? Make sure you're evidence-based, but then use whatever technique is possible.